So there is a simple explanation of L1 recognition technique at Google Colab. So what is first understand what is regularization? Regularization is a technique which is used for reducing overfitting in the model. Okay. So basically the main problem solved by regularization is the overfitting problem. The type of regularization technique are three. First one is lasso regression, that is called L1 regularization. Second one is ridge, which is L2 regularization, and third one is elastic net regularization. So the main concept is coming out of there. It's the concept of overfitting, underfitting, and best fitting. So let us standard these three. First, the underfitting. When the model is too simple, which cannot cover all the data sets and trained by some small amount of data set comes under underfitting model. And the overfitting model, when the models try to cover all the data set points present in the model and it's trained by too many data and it will confused when the prediction take by it, that model is called overfitting model. And the appropriate model are when the model predict accuracy, output with accuracy. Okay, these three are terms: overfitting, underfitting, and best fitting. Okay. So, how regularization L1 lasso regression help in regression? Okay, a regression model which use L1 regularization technique is called lasso. Okay, the lasso regression add the absolute value of magnitude of the coefficient as penalty term to the loss function, which helps in achieving feature selection by penalizing the weight to approximate equals to 0. So this is the lost function of the L1 lasso regression. So where m is a number of feature, n is a number of examples, y is actual target, y hat is predicted target value. So the term come how lasso regression balance between model complexity and predictive performance. So the lasso regression based on some absolute coefficient values and which help to add penalty to the model by increase the coefficient towards 0. Some of the features are, first one is feature selection. Lasso regression automatically perform feature selection by increase the coefficient of less important feature to 0. The second one is regression. The penalty term in lasso regression, also known as L1 regression, help prevent overfitting by penalizing large coefficients. Bias variance trade-off. Lasso regression strike a balance between bias and variance by penalizing the coefficients. Turning parameter. Lasso regression has turning parameter that control the strength of regularization, and the clause validation. The clause validation is a technique that can be used to select optimal value of lambda for lasso regression.